All right, let's see what we got, man. We gonna have a great day. Gonna have a great day. Um, Let me get us set up real quick. I have mm, this chart. All right. So I was trying to do some paper trading earlier.
Order filled.
Um, first off, first off, I'm currently in NQ buys. Currently in NQ buys. As we speak. Let me make sure I got volume on YouTube, bro. Hold on. Let me mess with the damn sound. Boom. Okay, I think we good. All right. So if they come back and kick me out, they come back and kick me out. That's cool. I should put one down in the stop loss. I'm gonna share this. That's my blue line is where I got in at. I got the stop loss shallow, really shallow. I should add some right here on this 19 candle. It should go. Uh, this trade was taken not based on my normal strategy, but it was taken based on the sell side liquidity sweep of London. So London's sell side got swept and showed me a change in the state of delivery. Now I could be not right, but ES swept London sell side and NQ fell, and then ES proceeded to give a full change in state of delivery based on my parameters. So I entered on it. So this isn't my regular entry with the EMA model, but it works. It has its place. We get to see this happen in real time. Whether it kicks me out or not, it is what it is. But I probably got the best. My stop loss should have been down here. It should be down here, and I shouldn't be moving it so early. But it is what it is. This right here may hold, bro. This right here may hold. If not, it is what it is. But this right here is ATT time. So uh, I'm assuming it's gonna hold. And if not, I may re-enter if they give me another leg down, like a 23 candle. It has to be a 23 candle, or a 29 candle. Hopefully this holds and it just goes, but whatever, whatever. Uh, Either way, I'm not losing anything. It's a free trade right this very second. So, but yeah, we're gonna take this morning slow and pace it out, and maybe we'll see something preceding. I've been scanning this morning, trying to find
Stop filled.
transpire. Uh,
Stop filled.
they keep me out. But anyway, 20. This probably could be 22. 22 candle could be it, but I'm not re-entering because they're not giving me what I need to see. So anyway, um, short-lived on that one, but it was still perfect. Boom. All right. Anyway, let's see what we got. I wanted to see this right here. See this right here? This is my pattern in itself setting up. And this is setting up on a 9-minute chart. Okay? So what I would like to see happen, I want to see this red candle on a 9-minute go completely through this low right here. That'd be ideal. It can do it in one candle, it can do it in two candles, but I want a closure below this candle right here. So this is on a 9-minute chart. But this is the optimal look for the perfect setup for this kind of trade. And this is on a 9-minute. I've never taken a trade on a 9-minute. I don't know how I'm scaling to find it. I might, since I'm using it as a point of interest, I think I may re-enter this this long, bro. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get back in.
Order filled.
I'm gonna put one contract down, and I'm gonna put my stop under the low, and I'm aiming up here at this white line. That's where I'm aiming at. Now I had that marked out from before, which is the same thing I'm showing you kind of right now on the EMA. So it came into the EMA here. This is YM, and then on the 1 minute earlier, it came into my EMA and did the same thing and fell through it. This is why I say I want to see YM fall through it, so we can see what happens. I would rather YM fall through it now and NQ go up. Sometimes they get out of balance, so that's cool. If they don't, I'm still gonna wait for my setup. This right here is still the perfect setup. Hold on for 1 second. So this entry right here is the same as the 1 minute that I'm focused in on, where my target is. We still got 5 minutes till open. I got us running up from here. Okay, cool. I got us running up from here. Matter of fact, if they kick me out, they kick me out. Is what it is. I shouldn't even be in this trade pre-market to begin with. But they gave me the change of state based on the O parameters, which I probably shouldn't be trading, but it was so obvious that I decided to take it. And if they choose to run it down pre-market with all those big candles they do, then it is what it is. But I got a target that hasn't been hit, is what I'm saying. That target has not been hit based on going through my EMA. No one has hit it. So this is one target, but I just got in for the reversal at London's low. London's low got swept by ES and by YM, and then ES proceeded to give a change in the state of delivery, which is why I got this thing. It should be freaking holding, but it is what it is. Whatever they choose to do, they're probably gonna run it again based on this being a 26 candle. So that's ATT time right there. But it's all good. I would like to see that bitch turn green right now and go on about its business, but oh well. At any rate, at any rate, that 22 may hold. That 22 may hold. Let's see. Let's see. I think I'm getting pretty good though. Getting comfortable with this bit. Don't knock me out right now. Just put a big green candle out right now before market open. Otherwise, I'll just take the sales when they come back to this spot that they never hit. This is why I got them coming back up there. Because I might just ride it up there and take a sale off that motherfucker too, depending on what they show me. Let's see if they can get it up there first. But anyway. Oh, you sons of bitch. All right. What's that low? What's that low you print? That's a 27 candle. That's sometimes good, being that it's a 9. Yeah. Yeah. Based on ES sweeping London side, London sales side. I should have it. I might should have it up under the freaking low.
Stop filled.
Hey, goddamn. It's all right. It's all right. Let's see what they want to do. This is what I really wanted to do anyway. I want that damn 9 minute. The goddamn. Okay, market's about to open. So, boom. Ooh. Ew. Ew. Um. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait for that target up top to get hit. I think that's what they're gonna aim for. And then they'll send it down from there. Somebody's gonna fail, somebody's gonna sweep, and I think that might be it, bro. Sometimes they set that shit up before pre-market, bro. So we're gonna see if they want to make that bitch hold, and that's on the 1 minute chart. That's on the 1 minute chart. Um, yeah, 3 minute hasn't done anything. Previous month at low, 10-4. 10-4. All right, we got 1 more minute. We got 1 more minute. Let's see what they want to do. All right, I'm looking currently at all 3 minutes for right this very second. I have no clue what NQ is doing. I have no fucking. They have swept fucking London the sell side now. Oh, my bad. That was a 4 a.m., not the sell side. Damn. Oh, I lied, dude. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's that bullshit. That's the bullshit. See what I'm talking about? I'm thinking this is London sell side, and I ain't even subtracted the time that London really open, which is down here, 245, 250. This low right here. Goddamn, on all assets. Shh. That shit right there. At 254. Yeah. So that's my target. If they're gonna continue to fall right now, I'll look for a reversal down there, and then I'll wait for the 144. But if I see that first signature that we was trading with the intermediate wick above confirmation, then close above, then the origination, and then I'll take that every day of the week. That's what that trade was based on. That trade went in profit just now, bro. That trade was up shit like 50, 60 bucks at the first time. It just didn't fucking hold. They wasn't ready for it yet, evidently. Probably because I had the wrong target, the wrong low. I mean, that didn't help at all, definitely. That fucking 412 low right there. But yeah, they're getting close to that fucking London. And that people say it started at 3, bro. But shit, man, that shit starting to fucking, it's macro, the fucking goddamn macro, pretty much, bro. Yeah, that's what I would, that seems more logical if we're using magical, who's using macros and shit. So, um, yeah, that's where they're heading at right now, dude. All right. That's on the 3 minute. That's cool. I can wait for that out. I'm really taking a look at this 9 minute over here, bro. This 9 minute on fucking YM. That's my signature. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna tell you I wanted to come in like a damn torpedo, make a low on the line. This is my low right here. Came back up. Hopefully this closes through. And that, if that is the case, if that is the freaking case, we have a volume imbalance at the origin right here. Now I would have to go find a PSP on the 9 minute, but as long as it leaves a fair value gap in the wake of going down through this one and starting right here, it'll count. So let's see if there's a fair value. Let's see if there's a PSP up there at the top if they want to take it down. Nope, not right there. Yes, ES doesn't have one either. So the first one that comes up is, I got to backtrack to somebody that shows one. Green. This one right here. 8:15 candle. That's if the 9 closes down low. It's turning around right now, bro. So it's like, okay, all right, I tell you what, y'all do what y'all want to do right now. And it's still in the macro. And that's a 9 minute candle. So it's okay. Boom. What, on the 9 minute? Okay, I'll keep an eye on that. Hey, it's playing around. It's kind of green. You said 3 minutes? Oh, it's got, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it got plenty of time to close down there then. Shit, God, yeah, hell yeah. Like I said, my nearest PSP is fucking 8:15 candle, which means they're gonna go back up here eventually, in my opinion. Opinion could be fucking wrong. I don't think it's wrong though. I think they're gonna come on down some more and get that goddamn low. They keep bullshitting where they think they're not gonna drop it. That means the 9 is gonna take us all the way back up to the nearest PSP. Oh yeah, that's what we waiting for. That's what we're looking for. We're waiting for buys though. I'm waiting for buys, bro. That's just an assumption. But that low on that line is very important because it came in hot by itself. Made a pause, fell through. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right. Say what's that? Yeah, just YMS on a 9-minute. I'm still scanning. Ain't nobody else on the line at all. All right. So that's a 3-minute chart. I'm waiting for this low right here to get swept, preferably. It's still in the macro. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. This is a 3-minute. So we're gonna let that run for a second. That's 3-minute. That's the 9-minute. Let me share my ES versus the other ones. I'll just keep a watch on the YM from the sidelines. I like what it's doing. So, but I think we got a chance to go back up here. So let's see what they want to do real quick. I'm looking at the 245 lows. We got equal lows down there on YM. So there we go. That's what we're looking for. Equal lows. YM getting swept right now. Getting swept right. Boom. Equal lows. Right here. Did it sweep it? I think it did, bro. What's that low? What's the number on that bitch, bro? Low is 905. And what we got? Low is 905. No, 904. I got 904 on the current one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Boom. So at this point in time, ooh, they did a nasty turnaround on damn NQ and ES. That's cool though. So right now, the only change is the real change in state delivery after this low gets swept. If this is the low that they were targeting, if it closes past, I would say fucking damn shit 27, bro. On what asset? On what time frame? Yeah, that's to the top side. Okay. We're still waiting. It's all good. But I'm waiting for you said 1 minute? Yeah, I'm gauging that shit off the 3-minute off the sweep. And I should be on the 1 minute. Yeah, this one right here. Closer above this high right here. It should be going back up. Yeah, this low in here and the high. Yeah, that's the high profile shit, bro. Closure above that right there, where that volume balance is. That's it. That's a freaking buy now. It doesn't look like a buy on NQ, definitely, but it's a buy there. If it closes there, it's going to tick down and keep on going. Let's see if I'm correct. I'm not taking the trade, but I mean, we had a point of interest on the low. NQ and ES might react from that bitch, bro. 936 candle. That's a ATT time too. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's the play. It came into a point of interest. You saw a low get swept. That's the complete change of state of right there. That's the change of state by itself. It doesn't need the intermediate term high. You just got to find the high when it sweeps to point of interest low. That it's interested in. And right now it's that open right there because that's the candle that made it swing high and connected to it. It's going to tap in that. It ain't going to dig too far into it. The last barrier to entry is this damn right here. Is this volume imbalance. Stop loss should be at the lows, but that volume imbalance right there should hold at the minimum. So let's wait it out. I'm gonna wait till it comes to this line. I got nothing at my line on the 3 minute. They came close to it. They have not touched it, so I'm gonna let that ride. I am currently also looking at my 1 minute. My 1 minute has a swing high on my 1 minute on NQ right now, so I'm paying attention to that as well. Hey, we're gonna let these people settle down, bro. If I got a chance to take one trade every day, and that's all I could trade for the rest of my life, that means I got to be careful with what I select to trade. Because if I miss my fucking shot, I gotta wait till tomorrow to eat. I'm trying to eat every day, so I'm gonna make this one bullet count. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're aiming to please at on these trades right now. It's like there's no reason for me to do it, and if I need to wait till Monday, cool, so be it. But they're gonna give me that 5 pattern setup. They have to give me the 5 pattern setup, bro, in order for me to trade. I can take those other ones, but I think I'm just gonna dial it back to 5, no more than 7 candles. It has to be the max in my play. Max, absolute max. Yeah, man. If you get 3, you're in the game. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let's see if that FEG gonna hold on damn fucking YM, bro. That imbalance right there. What is that? Close. On what time frame, bro? On NQ. Oh yeah, I'm looking at that. Yeah. I got it up on the screen. It's up there by itself right now, so it's kind of like not serving no purpose. Now you're putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles to the low. Now that's probably something I'm not gonna deal with. Which is cool. I wouldn't use it still. It's too far down. It's too down. It doesn't fit really what I'm looking for, bro. That's already 7. I mean, it can do it in 7 can, but I wouldn't take that setup, even if it blew through it. That means that it would have to come all the way back down here to find the origin somewhere. It ain't, or if there's some shit in there that corresponds to it. It's got to make one first, but we're just kind of speculating. It held. That one right there held. That one right there held. That's the one that was protecting and holding everything up. I don't know if you remember me saying that, but yeah, that's the last barrier to entry, bro. Based on the change in state of delivery of the POI, that's the only thing holding it up right now. What is that low? That's a PSP low too. So no wicks that shit don't even count. It might come back and get it, but it's on its way up. So right now, I'm gonna watch this dude right here. And that's that high that I had marked out. Somebody's coming to get that high, bro. That high that never got hit. 3 minute. I'm not coming in on a 3 minute. Let me take a glance at that. 3. No. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the one over here on YM. Let me check that fucking 9 though, real quick. Oh, it closed. Uh-oh. Let me go back to the 9 minute. Let me find the PSP, bro. We're going back up. We got to be going back up. So that PSP was this candle right here on the 9 minute. So if this is the case, 9 minute is the 8:15 candle. That's the first PSP we come to. 8:15 candle. is the first PSP we come to. Yep. So I'm gonna put a thingy thing around it real quick. Well, around the wick part and the body parts to the top side. Yes, brother. The direction fell through the bottom. It's got to sweep highs. Got to sweep highs. All right. So let me put one around that on ES real quick. And then I go back to the 3 minute. All right. No, 8:15, brother. 8:15. I mean, yeah, I'm marked out 8:15, but either way on YM, it's got to use the 824's body as well, because both of those bodies are together, so to speak. So in all reality, I need to move that wick up right there to the 24 wick and use that top body right there. I'm still gonna use the body of the first candle. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna still utilize that. So as of right this very second, I got the 9 minute setting up. Possibly, I got a point of interest on a 1 minute setting up, possibly where this white line is, and this white line right here. So I am really waiting for a sweep of that line. I wanted to take sales off that, but we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Somebody's got to sweep it though in order to take sales. That's what I do know, and nobody hasn't come near it yet. So nobody's near my line, and I can't do anything until somebody shows me something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit tight, and I'm going to watch this bitch goddamn do what it's supposed to do. And that's about it. Let's see what. You know something? I think this is the one right here, bro. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I can't do nothing. I'm just playing. I can't do a motherfucking thing. YM just gave the full change in state of delivery, the one that we took off our original play, where we had the intermediate term on the 1 minute, where we had the intermediate term high, confirmation, came back below, and then took off back above it. And that was at the point of interest. So with that being said, YM is about to go keep my line right now. It is on its very little way, like very rapidly too. As a matter of fact, NQ is doing some weird fucking shit. But what I'm doing is I'm still watching that damn PSP at the top, because if YM gets all the way up there, we got game now. It's a long way away now. I mean, it can get there now, but as a matter of fact, it's not that far away. Just shit. Let's see real quick, dude. I'm just watching that high I got marked out, and that high I got marked out is a part of the 1 minute that I had fucking marked out too as well, dude. So that's kind of cool to see that. Let me see how that lines up real quick. 9 minute. Oh yeah, that lines up with the freaking goddamn line I had up, bro, on the 1 minute. So the 9 is in alignment with the freaking 1 minute to go down, dude. So, oh yeah, oh shit. we might have some pretty good action then. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because NQ might continue to fall from here if we get that sweep. We gonna on what? Okay. 10-4. That's cool to know. All right, so here's what I'm doing now. I am. All right, I'm looking at YM on the 1 minute currently as we speak. So if they are going to go up, I'm also looking at the 1 minute on ES as we speak. Okay, everybody, 1 minute has created what I'm looking for on the line on YM right now. YM has created my swing high on my line. Let's see what YM wants to do from this point forward so we can start navigating based on the 1 minute, because I don't see anything currently on the 3. Let me double check it one more time real quick. Nothing on the 3 on ES. We got something coming into our line right now on the EMA on the 3 minute. I'm going to watch YM first and foremost because it's the most one it's developed the most of the system already. So I got the swing high. I'm gonna stay on the 1 minute real quick, and I'm gonna watch this. ES is close to my target that I had mapped out on the 1 minute. YM is still nowhere near my target. NQ and YM are both close to my original target to take sales. I don't believe it. I mean, I could. Let's see what they swept, dude. It ain't sweep shit, bro. They're gonna have to wait till 10 o'clock. They're not about to do that. All right, so that's cool. I'm gonna be patient. They got to show me what I want in order for me to trade. So it doesn't matter what the fuck they do. I can give two fuck shits. If I gotta get up from this motherfucker today with no trade, then that's a wrap. But they're gonna give me what I'm looking for. All right, so let's see if they want to do it right now. Macro is still chilling. Macro is still chilling. I would like to see YM go through this high right now. I want 1, 2, 3 candles. I give you 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead on up and knock out that 9 a.m. sweep up there to the top, bro. That'd be awesome of you. Don't pretend like you about to fall, dude. Don't do that. You ain't even about to do that. You show up every day. You probably showed up on the 30-second, but I ain't even messing with y'all 30 seconds today at all. I'm not gonna even look down there. If you gonna give it to me on the 1 or the 3, then it's a wrap. Although I did take one off the 30-second prior to market. It fucking worked out. Yes. I mean, yeah, NQ. All right. Boom. Mm-hmm. Good for that. Yeah. You just said monthly low is down there and a weekly low. It's got to be liquidity then. Yeah, but you talking about a monthly low. You can't gauge a retest based on a 1 minute on a monthly low, bro. You know what I'm saying? All retests on monthly time frames got to be retested on at least a freaking 4 hour, dude. This is not a 1 minute retest from a monthly level. That's not how they work, bro. It's called time frame alignment. You got to match the time frames that align with the amount of candles that's needed to make that retest. All right. That motherfucker's still holding, bro. Think we ain't about to, I'm about to catch the hell out of this motherfucker. Y'all gonna give me this motherfucking trade. Y'all bullshit. I ain't fucking playing no games with y'all bitches. Not at all. Okay, go on back out there, why? Shoot on through that motherfucker through the top. That'll be cool. They probably gonna wait till that fucking next fucking damn yeah, it's getting time. They got 17 minutes. They got plenty of time now. Don't get it fucking twisted. They got fucking plenty of time, dude. Let me look at this fucking 6 minute real quick, see where they at. Jesus Christ, dude. I saw that shit happening the fucking morning. I should have been in the motherfucking goddamn sales. Yeah, they're done, bro. They're going. They're chilling for the rest of the day. They're not coming back out there. Cause the pattern fucking goddamn happened on the fucking 6 minute. I mean, it looks fucking weird as fuck, but it happened on the 6 minute, bro. It was one of them ones you gotta fucking let go, and that's cool. They showed it. I mean, they showed it. I can see it, but there's nowhere. This shit right here, bro. Let's see what happened on the 6 minute. YM failed to take out this high. YM failed to take out that high, bro. Let's marry it together so I can show you what I'm talking about. YM failed to take out this high. This high right here. YM failed to take it out. There is no closure above. You see it? Yeah. So it happened right there inside of these parameters right here. One fell through the low within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. You see what I'm saying? 5 candles was ideal. 5 candles is ideal. No, just before market, like 8:30, bro. 5 candles was ideal. But if you wasn't aware of and shit wasn't clicking to what was going on, you would miss it. I saw the shit happening, but it was like, I don't know, bro, because of all this shit right here and all this shit right here. So it's just like you got to take mental note sometimes, and if you see it, sometimes your safest bet is the previous highs or whatever the case may be. If you see one, and just to try it out, but it meets all the parameters. It's got the low on the line. I mean, so this one right here, and then 5 candles for the closure. Find the fucking origination PSP, which was fucking wherever the fuck it was. This one right here, that red candle, 706 candle, which is green over there. That's the one they were looking for. So, because everything else, it has to be before the candle that fell through. So, green, red, green. It had to be this candle. Yeah, that red one on that side. So, but it swept it, but it wasn't no body closure above it. Yeah, it swept it, but you didn't get the body closure. So they used the bodies this time. So it's kind of like you still got to pick your poison. So, yeah, they might be gone for the rest of the goddamn day. These motherfucking brother. Shit, I don't know. I'm gonna go back down here to this fucking goddamn 1 minute real quick and see what are they doing. I'm gonna hold on tight because they're gonna give me something on the 1 minute, bro. They're not gonna just lead the 1 minute off for the day. They're not gonna lead the 3 minute off for the day. They gave us a 6 minute now, but they're gonna give us one of the two because they do it every day. They do it. No, they already got that fucking high though. That's what I'm saying. No, well, this high right here is part of the 9 minute high on all assets. Nobody came and got it. Nobody came and got it, and it's based on this one right here, that entry right there on the 1 minute. Nobody came and got it. Same concept. Low on the line, fall through. The nearest PSP is right here. That's the first one prior to falling through the line. That right there. Nobody came and got it. I marked that out on every chart. Same candle. That's why I'm expecting YM to break it. Because if YM breaks it, YM would fulfill the low on the line and the immediate fall through, leaving the fair value gap right here, which is the overlap in the beginning, and backtrack. It would fulfill that. This box lines up with that line. Watch, hold on, right here. That line, 9 minute. Let me show you how perfect this motherfucker lines up. 9 minute. All right. So what box was it? What candle was it? That was the 840 candle. So 840 candle. Oh shit. What the fuck is that? Oh, I can't go there. That's on the damn 1 minute. But
yeah, like the 842 candle. It's like, yeah.
So it lines up with the original box. You see what I'm saying? That's the box right there. Yeah. Yeah, but it's got to hit that line when it goes in that box. See, I didn't have a target just by looking at the 9 minute. But if I go down to 1 minute, I can tell that these motherfuckers haven't tapped my PSP. This is, bro. When I say these motherfuckers are about to hit this goddamn fucking target, they're gonna hit this target, bro. They're not gonna not hit it. It's too close for them not to hit it. Nah, don't get me wrong. Now they can do what they want to do. We can keep saying that shit over and over again, but they're really too close not to hit it. Shit, ES was close as well, but we still got 17 minutes in this fucking macro, bro, and nobody did anything around this line yet, except for that. But that don't count because we're waiting for somebody to go through the motherfucker. So this.
30 candles.
What you mean for what this? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's just irrelevant now, bro. Yeah. So, and now this shit right here is fucking. That shit right there is irrelevant to me too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's way more than that. Ain't there's no way I'll be fucking. I'm not about to fuck with that either. What I am looking at is waiting for this line to come get tapped. If they do it first, get a sequence right here, that's cool. I'll gauge it off that, and I'll pull the trigger on that. But they got to do it before they hit that line. I'm not gonna let them go to the line and then come back and take a buy. Nah, that's not. No. Unless something lines up with these right here to let me know, and there's a PSP through it, and it's got to come in like a missile, straight angle to where it's like going to demolish some shit. So right now we're waiting for this line to get hit, and I can kick back and wait for the creator to send me this goddamn money. I'm about to pull out this damn computer by pressing this damn button. Push. Yeah, this is a waiting game, brother. For sure. More people don't wait for this shit. They want that fast damn money. It's fast now. It's fast. It's faster than goddamn your regular job. Shit. I mean, but it's slow sitting here while you're watching because you think being active is being productive. I got to do something. But the less you do here, the more money you make. That's just how it goes. They got it backwards. They're teaching you to do more. So you can't come in and trade and trying to do more. So. No, you good. Right now, we're looking at the YM. Other than that, we're just waiting for that. There is nothing on the 3 minute. Let me double check. Sometimes the 3 minute be moving. Okay, we do have some on the 3 minute on YM. I lied to you. Let's see this on YM real quick. You also have it on ES, but it's kind of far away. I really don't like that. Here's what it is. Yeah, I don't. No. 3 minute don't count for anything right now. We're gonna stay with the 1 minute, and That's what we're gonna do. Still gonna keep an eye on that damn 9 minute, of course, to see where YM is. But I am watching that line through the top side. We're gonna see what they want to do. This should be easy, man. Whatever's about to happen is about to be easy. I'm probably gonna end up blowing this counter today, but it is what it is. There ain't no fucking damn money left on this motherfucker. I fucked this motherfucker over. Being fucking goddamn letting the demons fucking take control, over trading, fighting all those battles. But we came in a New York session with a plan, and we're sticking to the plan today. If these motherfuckers don't give me no trade, bro, I swear to God, I'm walking away, and that's gonna be a win for me because I didn't see what I needed to see. The only thing I need to see right now is that line on my chart get hit, and that's the only thing I'm concerned about. That is untapped. That is high profile in my mirror right now. Whoever taps that first, I'm taking the sell. I gotta selling off for the rest of the day, man. But that's just an opinion. I ain't never caught it on the 9 minute. But if I can catch it on the 9 minute, and but you gotta think, if you hold a 9 minute time frame, you gotta hold that bitch for at least fucking goddamn fucking 3 to 4 hours. Based on the other parameters anyway. I got my partner back here asleep trying to trade. He don't want to wake up. Yeah, over there, man, waiting for the candles to come up minute by minute. This is definitely a waiting game, though. It's all good. Exacerbated. Like, oh yeah, you got a lot of fuel to damn added this fire now, so you should be good to go, my brother. It's falling just the way it's supposed to. Matter of fact, I got something I need to show you. I'll show it to you after we get off the fucking truck, dude. Some real good mental food. I had to pause on it for a second. Like, bro, there's some real intelligent people on this planet, bro. They have a lot of information. If you will listen, bro, there's a plethora of people with a lot of valuable information, bro. Most people don't take the time to hear them, though. But this shit I'm gonna show you in a little bit was high profile. This she blew my mind. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just lady talking about when I was talking to you about the second law of thermodynamics, the way she broke it down. That's why I brought it up last time. I didn't show it to you, but I'm gonna show it to you today about how shit moves from disorder. Automatically, everything goes to disorder unless it's acted upon consciously. So the more you don't act consciously, the more disorder forms. You're fucking like it's on some other shit, but yeah, we got nothing, bro. We got nothing. Man, I ain't doing shit, man. To my hand, finish going down. I got that stung by a yellow jacket. That bitch fucking swole my fucking shit. You should have seen it yesterday. That bitch was like this. Man, fucking swole my ass up, dude. It's all good though. Yeah. No, I can't take that. Like shit, that shit got to go down. My immune system got to show me at work. It'll be gone by tomorrow. You should have seen that shit yesterday. That shit was fucking big as fuck. I was like, God damn, hand was tight as fuck. Couldn't barely fucking walk around like Popeye and shit. Well, with one hand. Oh shit. Man, I don't even care about his life. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. That you got some valuable motivational mental shit for me, then yeah, let's do it. But his life, I don't care about his life, bro. I mean, I ain't trying to be funny about it, but I just don't care about his life, bro. I got other things to worry about than think about what somebody else doing. I'm in a bit, especially if I'm in a fucking place where I don't want to be. I ain't got no time to donate any mental thought to anyone else, bro. That's just what it is. He gets what he fucking attracts. That's how the power works. No one's exempt from the power, regardless of what happened to you. Here we go. We got action. We got action on YM at the line right now, making its move to goddamn that 9 minute. That is on the 1 minute. We got a swing high being formed on now. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't go through it. And hopefully it does go through it. Because if it shoots through it, it'll be a direct target to the cell up top. Now I would love to see it shoot through. Matter of fact, ES is close to it too as well right now. So let's be aware of what's about to happen with this 9 minute, because right now we're still in this macro, and it could potentially go up here, take this, and rape all that fucking buy side, and then turn around and fall. So it did not create a swing high on my line. It actually blew through it as of right now. I mean, that swing high is really too high for what I'm really looking for based on the shit. I mean, I can use the one on ES. ES looks good. It's real shallow. I like it just being the wick most of the time, although it does work with the bodies. But the wicks seem to work better for this strategy. So with that being said, we got a target right here based on sales. Now, the only thing with this target is, and we got to watch, I'm going to make sure I'm careful entering this trade, is that all assets don't close above it. So if all assets close above that target, we're going to continue up for the rest of the day on a Friday, which is not unheard of, but we're going to see if they give us this change in state, and we're going to pull this trigger for this sale. We are still in the macro. We got 6 minutes left on the macro, so 9 minutes is almost close to target. We got our box marked out right here. 9 minute box right there. YM. This box right here is the same thing as this line on the 1 minute that I got marked out right here. That box lines up with that line. Now, mind you, I marked out the 1 minute long before I noticed that on the 9 minute. So we're going to see if this holds. Matter of fact, ES just created our pattern on the line on the 1 minute to the upside. It gave a swing high, gave a brief pullback. That counts. That counts. If they can give us a green candle continuation right there, that'd be awesome. Which they closed and did not. So, I lost. Oh man, I lost feed, bro. Hold on, dude. Goddamn. Sorry. I lost feed. Boom. Goddamn. I'm sitting here talking. I don't know how to damn long feed been fucking off. This shit crazy. All right, share. Righty. All right. So that high right there, 1009 candle is the one that I'm looking at currently. I'm also looking at my EMA. We still have plenty of time in this macro, which is another 4 minutes. I got us doing nothing. Till I get anything, I mean, I can't do nothing. So I mean, what I need to see right now from ES is a green candle go through the 1011 candle. That's what we're looking for. I need a green candle. I preferably it to leave a damn fair value gap. This is the 1013 candle, which is also cool. That's on a low. So we need this to close above the 1011 candle, and we're going to see what we get after that, because we are really close to that line right there. This is the same line on NQ as well. It looks further away, which is why I'm backing that where this sell is probably going to take effect. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I got a big sale coming in. That's what I think's about to happen, and I'm willing to wait for it. I'm willing to wait for it. But if it shows me the buys, I will transition into buys. Do not get it confused. I am not daily biased at all. At all. There's no daily bias at all. So, all right. So, ES just did what I needed to do. And ES did what I needed to do in 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So, that means to me that I got action, meaning I need to find me a PSP. I'm still waiting for this closure first and foremost, and I'm watching my targeted line as at the same time to see how these people react. So the 1010 candle would be my PSP on all assets right now. It's the 1010 candle. If ES closes, leaves a fair value gap in its wake of going up here, and it does it. Right now, it currently has a fair value gap going through that high. I would love for it not to leave a bottom wick right there, but that'd be awesome. Let's see how they play it out. We're going to watch that line thoroughly on both assets, YM and ES. And we're going to see if we can get a change in state right there at that line, like immediately. That'd be freaking awesome if we can get one immediately. And you can see how they're not trying to get to that line right there. It's not, there's nothing random about where I'm putting lines at on this chart. So that line right there is very important. They're gonna come get it. Somebody's gonna get it. YM is very close to it. ES is almost there, and NQ is fucking doing what fucking NQ does, whatever that is. So this is gonna be a hell of a trade. This trade is being gauged off the 9-minute, man. I'm about to hold this bitch all day long. And I'm about to walk away from the chart. I ain't even about to move no start loss this time. Y'all gonna give me this trade. Let this motherfucker be right. If this trade is right, we in for a big ass move. I mean, Dolly is Friday. It is what it is, but that direction is still gonna play itself out into next week. I think, in my opinion. But whatever. It doesn't matter. We're only playing what's in front of us right now. And then we're gonna get out whenever we feel comfortable. Whatever that is. $10.15 candle is printing. I mean, 10.16 candle is printing. I'm sorry. You know something? And whatever taps into that line, it could be in the 20s. It doesn't have to be in the macro. I'm not paying that shit no fucking attention. It has no bearing on what the fuck this entry is gonna do. So, fell below it, bro. 10 candle. 10 candle got fell below. Yep. Bro, they could fall short right here, dude, and go. Bro, if they close below this right here, they're gonna go down from here. This 1007 candle. If they close below the 1007 candle, yeah, they're gonna go down from here, bro. But that's a 1014 high, which is an ATG time, 1013. Let's see how they want to play it. Let's see how they want to play it. Yeah, if they get a green candle to run through this, if it closes below this red candle, it's an automatic sell for me. on. It don't matter. It's going to keep going. There's not going to be no revisit. There's not going to be any retest, bro. If this closes below this, well, preferably below the wick. Preferably below the wick. If we close below this week, there's not going to be any retest up here. It's gone. Is what I'm telling you. It's gone. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Yeah. If YM closes at the same place, bro, it's going down. YM just swept previous 90-minute cycles. There's nothing before that. Well, hold on, no, not 90-minute. That was 30-minute. It's still waiting though. I mean, I'm not damn jumping on nothing. It's got to get a not done with the 1 minute line, bro. It's not giving that pattern don't count for me. I'm sorry. Not unless it closes. No. Not turning around going the other way. The only way it counts from turning around going the other way if that's what I'm gauging it on. It has to close past that, which would make that an order block. I mean a breaker block to go down. I won't use any turnarounds off that like that, bro. That means I would have to look for a PSP up top right there, and there is none. Except for probably that 10-10 candle still. Yeah, that 10-10 candle is still the PSP. If we were going to use it, the PSP was that was it originally when it went through, but it turned around. I mean, so yep. I got the second macro coming for this 9 minute, bro. They're not gonna leave that high, bro. That high has not been hit, bro. That's what I'm saying. When I say they hit these highs that we are looking for, bro, the ones that fall through, PSP prior to the only one falling in like a missile. And this was a 4 pattern series. This shit right here is up there on the charts, bro. This is up there on the charts. Yeah. And if we can get in on the 1 minute, it is. If we can get we got to find it on the 1 minute version. I mean, Dally the 9 is different. Yeah, I wish you could use a half a contract based on a 9 minute, but I mean, I guess that's not really fucking possible. But whatever. I mean, it is what it is. What did the 3 minute end up doing? Did I miss something on the 3 minute? Yeah, no. We still got a 3 minute live. We still got a 3 minute live. I would take this because all the shit is trying to come into it. The first one to go through this high right here on the 3 minute for YM, and if it goes through this one right here, that shit right there counts. That shit right there counts because it's all coming from the bottom side. Let's see how they want to play it. But I still got I'll look for a PSP. Matter of fact, there is. That's a PSP. No, hold on. I need to go to the 3 minute. That is a PSP right there, bro. So that PSP right there, if they were going to continue going up and bypass that line, it goes to here. It has to get that first, and then continue up, and that's a PSP right there. So let's see if they give it to us. I'll mark it out once they close the candle through that high on the 3 minute. But until then, it's really nothing. I'll just keep watching, knowing that the 3 minute is on my line to the upside. Back to the 1 over here and here. Yeah, you see that what the hell is that line right there, dude? Oh, shit. What the fuck is that right there? Why am I? Hold on. Let me see what that line is. What candle is that? Is that the right candle? I think it's right here. It's the high one. What the fuck is this? You know something? Fuck that shit. That shit gotta go. I don't even know what the fuck that is. All right. So, some prior, something. 3 minute on ES is showing promise. All right. So, right now, I'm going to go ahead and mark out the 3 minute PSP and let that ride and have it on the chart just in case they do something. Now, I got to watch the level at the top where I think they want to take a sell off of. So, let's go ahead and put that on the bottom part of that wick right there. And let's see if they want to give us something. Let's see if they want to give us something. It didn't close above that wick on ES yet on the 3 minute, but I'm gonna assume that it does, and I'm gonna have this on there, so I don't have to do it later. Boom. We can put that lower at right there, just on the open of the box and on the wick only from the bottom side. I don't give a fuck about the top wick, the rest of the body, nothing. And yeah, that's it. All the way to the body. That's it. And that's my target once it goes through. So somebody has to close below that body. Anybody, after I get a closure above that. It has to be after they get a closure of that. And this shit is not valid unless I get a closure above this wick specifically. So what did YM end up doing? They're not going through it yet either. They're still pussyfooting around with it. Okay. And we're gonna wait. And that means they're gonna hold off until the next macro. That was not a move. That was not a move right there. That's not what they're gonna give you. They're gonna let you know when it comes. It's about to happen. And they could just go ahead and dump based on the earlier shit. So whatever. Go back to the one and see if no, never did want to come back down. They know better though. And look what they're playing around with on the 1 minute. It's like right there, bro. You know what I'm saying? That these boxes, bro. When I tell you these boxes right here are the ones that we want, these lines are the ones we want. There shouldn't be no reason for them not to be playing around right there, generating liquidity. Look at all these highs. Even though this one is lower, it doesn't matter. They know people's highs are sitting up there. Yeah, bro. Yeah, let's see what they're gonna do. Yeah. Well, for today it is for me. Yeah. Let's see. I think this is where we go up from, bro. What if they use this right here and all these red candles engulf everything inside of this motherfucker and then close above? It didn't close above though. Never mind. It didn't. Sorry. But yeah, but you're trying to think of all possibilities, dude. I mean, if they go, how did they go? How? That's the only question I have. I only have one question. No, I ain't talking about the strategy, but I mean, but it's part of the strategy. Because if I can see it clearly, and it close back up there, and I realize all these motherfuckers engulf anything that's in here until it gets back to this. It's just, huh? Oh yeah, yeah. No, I'm only trading the strategy. I'm just saying, I want to know. What if you can come to the market and be like, man, I'm only trading the strategy, but shit, man, I can do this right here. Click, make it $300. I see that right there. Yeah, shit, nothing. I don't want that. That's not. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Next macro in what? 12, 14 minutes ish. Yeah. So we sitting, we chilling, we doing absolutely nothing but watching motherfucking candles damn turn red and green. That's it. I mean, it's nothing really nothing spectacular. I mean, the who? Mm-hmm. I don't have that notification. I don't never had that shit on. No. Let's see where it is. Let's go. Let's go. You say that's crazy. Uh, bro, you want to stand on today? Bro, yesterday was a good trade, bro. I wish you should have seen it, dude. It was tight, dude. It was tight. Oh, you were? Oh, yeah. I mean, it flowed like real effortlessly. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, yeah, and then still killing out that one demon that tell you, damn, that look like a setup right there. Look. No, it's got to be missile, bro. This shit got to be missile where I'm at, and this right here was the missile that I'm looking for. This is the missiles thing that I'm talking about, bro. It's got to come in like a goddamn fucking jet plane crashing. This is what you want, jet plane crashing, right here. Crashing to the line and then falling through that bitch immediately after. Jet plane. This shit right here works at least 98% of the time. 90. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. I mean, and then it happened. It happened on two charts at the same time. That's what makes it so important. It happened on ES at the same time. Same exact time. Boom. and nobody comes back to get it. Nah, bro. Hey, bro, that don't happen. I done watched this shit too fucking much to sit there and accept that. Oh, they're not gonna come back and get it. That's something right there. If they don't get that today, that's something that I gotta write down. There's no way that they're gonna leave that one candle right there, based on what I know. So, uh, could they? Oh, absolutely, without a doubt. These are the ones that I don't like when they do, because I can't never tell how they're doing it. It could be running like from the bottom side, and I done seen them run from the bottom side and pull a little into the on the 144 from the top side, and then run it down. I done seen them do it. I haven't perfected it yet, so I can only stay on these lines. Yeah, I can only stay on these lines, bro. Yeah, there's a way to do it. I just haven't perfected it yet, but I want to see them speak that. But if they go down, I would like you to see that how they go down from there, and then go back and be like, man, how the fuck did they actually go down? And usually 144, and then you'll be able to go back and find how they used it. But it'll be so consolidated that what's that? But which one? This one right here on ES. I'm talking about these lows on the 144. Yeah, if it's going down. If it's going down. No, I'm only trading to the lines, bro. I'm only trading trades based on them falling through one of these. Anything that happens in here, I don't give a no fair value gaps, any highs to the level, there's high to the. That's just a 90-minute cycle. It's nothing. It's only these entries that I can take, bro. And I don't care what's up there, bro. I just know they're close to this. I'm not really following, but I'm following. All I know is I'm if I'm gauging it, and I'm not gauging it on my line, I would have to look from here. If you look back here, it's going to mess you up because this is only predicated based on current price action on the 144. So if I'm predicating it on this or this, and then I get this, based on the system, it says come back up here and find the PSP. Now, if one is there, now there's another question. I mean, I can find a PSP. I'm sure there's a PSP somewhere in there, bro. Green, red, green, red, red. Okay, not right there. It ain't. Let's see. Let's see what it does on this. Shit. What candle is that? 1030. Let's see what the 1030 do on this side right here. See if there's a PSP in this motherfucker. 1030. Red, red, green, red, green, red, red, green, green, green. Right there. 1020 is the PSP. 1020 is the PSP. If we're going down, 1020 is the PSP. That's the first PSP. This is a trade I took yesterday. That's like I wanted you to see. I had to count back through candles to find a PSP because nobody had a PSP. And when I found the first one, they came back, hit it. I took the sell, and they fucking held, bro. That's fucking crazy, dude. All right. So um 1020 candle. Bro. They might actually go from here, dude. Look what they just freaking did, man. Especially if you get a closure back down below this motherfucker now. If you close below the wick, you got a problem. But even if they do, I still got 2 points of interest at the top. One at the fucking on from this morning. One is based on the 9-minute, and I got a 1020 candle that I could actually use if I was really that confident. Matter of fact, that shit is right there, bro. I can't. Because that motherfucker is falling into the 1020 candle, which is the fucking PSP. Yeah, which is the PSP, which is that green candle right here. Yeah. So everybody's inside that motherfucker. But the funny part about it is the PSP is lower than where the candles are. You see what I'm saying? That, that's the PSP. The candles are already lower than that based on if this was our origination point. So we had to go all the way back down here, which is lower than, and it's inside of it right now. So that's the funny part. And this is where all that learning come in at. Like, okay, if this is what it is, let's see what happens. And just keep on collecting that, bro. You're gonna have so much freaking data, bro. Data, you're not gonna use all of it, but you'll be able to see shit to be like, damn, I knew that shit was happening. And not take the trade, you know what I'm saying? And be cool with not getting in. Sometimes. Sometimes they ego got it. Yeah. Yeah.
We do the right thing. It's the right
The wrong thing. Yeah. Then he get mad because like, man, I told your ass to shut up, man. Hey, you know something? I hope right now that they give one big candle in the macro. I'm talking about one red candle. I mean, one green candle to take out that hot, either on ES or NQ. I mean, ES or YM. When YM's getting further away from that motherfucker. So what's he got there? Bro, what did I tell you about that low right there? All right, so we're about to continue falling, and I can't take the trade. So, yeah, I can't take the trade. PSP was right here for the fall. Close below here. Wait, this should have been our PSP right here. If they can continue down. This is based on the old fucking pattern. This high right here is red on NQ. This is the last run up, which makes this the old style intermediate term. As a matter of fact, it would be the red one because it's the lowest candle. Wick below that red, went back up, closed below it. If we were going off the old schedule to continue down, it'd be this one right here. Let's see if they want to make that motherfucker hold. It's 1040. Macro is about to come in. So I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on the chart just for shits and giggles. I'm not gonna take it because it's not on my line today. It's not on the line. I'm not gonna take it, but I want to see if they're gonna take that motherfucker out. Where's that candle at? Boom, right there. Well, the old system ain't it's still it's still a PSP, bro. I'm not using the breakup law. I'm just talking about that intermediate term low thing we used to use. You gonna make it, bro? Gotta make it. All right, so this could potentially be the sell down, but I don't want it. So I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm gonna take it. This right here is potentially where this market could continue falling from right here. That line right there. It's got to do that. If I wanted to take a sell and I was thoroughly convinced that it was going to go back down from here, I would have to wait for a sell from that. So we are currently in a new macro. It doesn't matter. They got to have the line and they got to have the EMA involved, bro. None of that shit don't even matter, bro. The only S&T that matter is on the lines that I put on the chart. Anything else is irrelevant. Boom. Those lines right there. That's it. All I got. They got to give me a sweep of one of those two lines on any of the charts, and then we're good to go. And we're gonna wait for this bitch. And if they don't motherfucking get to me, then they can go on about their merry way, and I'm gonna go on about my business. See if they want to get it to us. And ES just did the same thing. ES just closed below the 1019. Well, it wicked below, came back up, and just closed below. So now it could wick back above and continue to fucking fall. Bro, they're gonna fall. They're about to fucking fall from here. Unless they do something real drastic. So what's this close? This close is 38.25. The low over here is 38.50. Oh yeah. They closed below. So since they closed below, screen. They got to go back up. You see what they're gonna do, dude? See what they're gonna do. 1043 macro. It never swept either of my lines. They got close to it. ES fell short right here, generating liquidity, so-called. Either way, my line is right there. That's what I'm looking at. And that's a wrap. I should go for a walk until they come back. Oh, what y'all doing? Making big wicks. All right. NQ killer. We're gonna catch the whole freaking move, or they don't get, or nothing. I don't want half a move. I want the whole freaking move. So you go, you go. Oh, for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Oh, oh, there goes YM. Booyah. Oh, it swept. 1044. Boom. It swept that low on damn it generated. Oh my god, bro. And so there's no sweep at the top. There's no sweep at the top. So damn, bro. That's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, dude. They're gone. Just like that. They don't want to let nobody in the bitch. So now, if they go, I got to backtrack and figure it out and look at what they fucking did. I can kind of see what they fucking did, but it's like, man, I ain't fucking worried about it. But macro's still up, and I'm gonna wait it out, and then I'll get off on the macro time. Call it a fucking day. Yeah, they pulled that shit this morning at 8:30. Okay, ride this motherfucker out. Oh, y'all got action? Y'all stop playing with me. Stop playing. Y'all gonna go get it? Now, y'all got plenty of time. We in the macro now. I ain't fucking goddamn fucking counting y'all motherfuckers out, bro. Shit. I ain't thinking y'all gonna just leave that shit. Like I say, I'm willing to wait, motherfucker. They just got all the sellers in the damn market already. Watch they fucking reverse that motherfucker, steal all their motherfucking money, go wipe out motherfucking goddamn buy side real quick, and then come on down for the rest of the day. And then all the sellers gonna be mad. That motherfucker kicked me out. Goddamn. Yeah, that's that shit that they be doing to my ass. Well, that's really my fucking fault. Goddamn shallow ass dot loss and shit. It's all good. $41, $42, $41. $10.42, $10.42, $39, $10.38, $10.38. Let's see. 1038 could be the PSP as well, dude. Let's see what they're gonna fucking use. We'll keep an eye on that as well. Let's see what they're gonna do. We're gonna hold on, and that's it. Go back to that fucking line up there at the top. Watch how they fell short. See, they really fell short of that. Yeah, I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes for them to goddamn go up there and get these highs. And watch what I tell you. Watch they go get them motherfucker, man. They gonna put out 3 green candles. It's gonna wick out the entire highs up there. It's gonna wick out this line. It's gonna go all the way up to this line up here. On one of these assets. Somebody about to do something. If they give me another setup on my 1 minute line, I will gauge my setup off that bitch to the upside again, and they will have to show it. That is that's exactly what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. Right now, that 1038 candle looks a little sweet, bro. It looks a little sweet. That 1038 candle. We're watching that. I'm watching that 1038 very closely. Yep, it sure is. I'm watching it on all assets. YM is almost there. They're not there yet. There yet. Okay. That's cool. Keep on going up. Keep on going up, bro. Let's see if Ro know what he talking about these lines and shit, man. Let's see if he know what he talking about. Yep. Let's see. I got the first line right here based on YM. Everybody's above that 1038. I'm getting a high printed on my 144 on ES currently. Yes, 1038 has been closed above on all assets. I would assume that we're going to continue up. Right now, we have the 1032 candle. Now, the 1032 candle is something different because it is a PSP based on a change in state on YM. ES is currently broken it. If we're going to continue down from here, I would need NQ to fail because now YM is almost above it. I would need NQ to fail and close below. Where is the gap? Close at 744, open at 44. The gap is all the way down at the bottom. So I couldn't do anything with that. That is a long way for a change in state for me. So we're going to X-nay that decision. Yeah, there is no gap leading up to that right now. If they were going to use this sweep as the one. Oh, actually, they just gave one though. They got a gap between the 1051, 1050, and 1051, but that is not an ATT time on the highs for me. So we're going to talk this through. We are on our line, creating a swing high still currently. We also have closure YM 8987, closure 986. YM. These overlaps and imbalances, bro. Both of them. It doesn't matter. It's got to be the person that sweeps it, bro. NQ didn't sweep it. The person that sweeps it has to close below the volume imbalance. And right now they're closing past. They're closing past volume imbalance based on one candle to the high, but it's 1051, so I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to wait for this to go above to the top side of that 1 minute EMA. We're going to watch that 1 minute closely. It's printed on our line. So the funny part about that line is if it closes above the 951 candle, then our PSP is the 1051 candle. This is a great setup. If they can just give us one more candle, they can just do it in 3 candles. That's even better. If they can take this candle all the way up right now, that'd be freaking awesome. So that'll run us into that those highs that they never attacked this morning. They're real close, so we still have to be careful. So with that being said, if we do get a gap through this, I will use the PSP at 1051. PSP at 1051 is going to be our candle if it goes through. We're going to see what they're going to do real quick. They might want to make this motherfucker whole. If they make it, the way to tell if they're going to make this motherfucker whole right now, for me, is close open. Is the actual open of the 1048 candle on ES, since they swept that fucking high. So, but like I said, I got a 9-minute up there hanging out at the top, which I've been itching about all morning long. So, matter of fact, we got a. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we're gonna do now. Let's see what we're gonna do. You gonna go to my 9-minute now? Okay, everybody has gone above my my first barrier to entry right now, except for YM, which is on its way. Let's see. All right, so my PSP is the 51 candle. I'm gonna put a box under my 51 candle for the buy, just for potentiality purposes. 51 wick. All of the wick on 51. That's what I'm still waiting for YM to close above though. YM hasn't closed above yet. Which is not bad, but it ain't good. That means this volume imbalance has to stay open. This fair value gap has to stay open because there's an open close right there. Well, on NQ that is. There's a volume imbalance on ES, which means that would still be valid. All right, so I got a volume imbalance between 1054 and 1055 on the 1 minute. So with that being said, I can't see it. It's too tight. Which is cool because I'm still banking on 9 minute, but that 1051 candle is kind of hard to gauge on down. Let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on there anyway, just for GP real quick. 1051. Boom. Did we sweep it up on ES yet? No, I'm talking about the other one, 9 minute high. Okay, we're at the 9 minute high on ES right now, bro. That one that I pointed out that everybody needs to sweep. Okay. Here we go. We got action in the macro. All right. Oh, it's about to break the line right now, like literally. Good timing. 11 o'clock. Oh yes, we're perfect. Okay, we got NQ coming into our line right now too. We also got YM coming into our line right now too. Oh shit, we got to get some action, bro. I'm getting excited. Here we go. Boom. Okay, now we got a sweep on ES. ES has swept my line. If I get a, let me double check. I ain't gonna fuck with these motherfuckers, bro. What's this high? 60, 25 is the high. The body is what? 60. Okay. 60 and 60, 25. All right. So what did it give us? What did it give us? Let me see. What's the high? 60. Okay. It didn't close above the body. And it's 10:57, which is not an ATT time. We're on 10:58 right now, which can be counted as the ATT time. Let me see if they gave us a volume imbalance right there. That last candle. Nope. Closes 59.25. Open is 59.25. Okay. All right. So we're watching this definitely closely right now. Right now, the change in state of delivery based on that 9-minute currently as we speak is the 1056 volume imbalance for me. Now, mind you, this right here, if this candle prints as a PSP, I might immediately hit entry at this one. No, I might not do that. No, I'm not going to do that. Because the PSP is usually the top. Definitely don't want to be too freaking late with this one. But it's okay. Let's see. I got to have a closure past any volume imbalance at this point. That'd probably be an ideal situation and not wait for that other one all the way down there on that 1 minute and having to put stop losses all the way to freak back at the highs. So let's see what they're going to do. And I think we're going to get some action. That's what I think. But two things for certain. They got to come back and get that 1051 candle as a goddamn continuation if they're going to continue to come up. And honestly, the NQ is coming into the line as well. So it doesn't matter. Some people might miss their line, my line entry. I might miss my line entry sometimes on certain parameters, but if another chart shows it clear, then I'll take it based on NQ. It's really not that clear on ES, but that's why I'm looking at NQ right now. So let's see if NQ wants to give it to us. We got a swing high printed on that line right now, which is cool. We got 11 o'clock candle printing right now. Hopefully it's maybe YM will go take out that high as well. We're gonna wait. We're in the macro. This is gonna be a perfect time to trade, bro. This is probably gonna be the one. Ooh, that is ugly right there. Let's see what y'all want to do. Like I said, NQ is a long way away from my spot I pointed out from this morning at 840. 840. Long way from my 840 target. All right, here's what we got. We got a intermediate term low on ES. That's a good thing. That is a good thing. That is a good thing. If I get the full setup of the old system, I will take that trade based on intermediate low, confirmation with a wick below, close back above, and then a close back below. I will take that trade any day of the week. And it's in alignment with a higher time frame on a 9-minute of what we're doing. So definitely being careful what we're doing right this very second. Oh man, what are you doing right now? That's fucking crazy. Why would you do that? All right, we still got a swing high printed on that 144 on. Bro, if they close below that damn swing low right there, that might be a wrap, dude. I'll tell you what. Let me see something, dude. Let me see something. Let's see what they want to do real quick. I think we're gonna hold on. You know, I am actually glancing at the 15-second right now. If I see a change in state delivery on the 15-second, I'll pull the trigger for a sale. Let's see what they want to do. And it looks like they want to pull it, dude. They want to pull this shit on the 15-second. I will take this trade off the 15-second, bro. I got to close it below. I got to change the state. I need to get a retest of the PSP, and then I'm good to go. And I'll take this trade right now. I can't tell what's going on. I need to see fucking this motherfucker over here real quick. Hold on. Oh, 230. Oh, 230. Yeah, I can't take that. I gotta wait. Yeah, I went down to the 30 second. Bro. Yeah, I'm kind of short, bro. I think I'm ready to go now, too. I think I'm ready to go now. Yeah, I'm ready to go now. I'm gonna take the sell right here, dude. You ain't taking a lot of contracts, are you? What you doing? How many contracts you put on, bro? Yeah, stops is at the highs. Stops is at the highs, bro. Stops is at the highs, definitely. Now, remind you, we are on that EMA right now on NQ. That's what I'm really, really watching. Let's see what we're gonna do, which is cool. Be careful. I mean, it is what it is, bro. This was a good trade though. It gave the fucking change of state. They can do what the fuck they want to do, but it was definitely weird first and foremost. But whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay at the fucking highs and whatever it is what it is, dude. Probably should have went down to 15 seconds, but it's okay. The original, the real close, the real entry would be based on ES. In my opinion, they got that wick right there, so I'm gonna have to start understanding what that wick is at like 11 o'clock. But honestly, the closure below that 1057 volume imbalance is definitely assuring for me. I might add on one at that point. I just didn't want to catch it that far back down there, so let's just see what they do. And it is what it is. I didn't take it on the live account. I should have taken it on the live account. This right here would probably be this damn setup. Let's see. 5. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is the fucking one, though, bro. This is the fucking one. I'm talking about the very top, bro. I'm talking about the very fucking top. Very fucking top. Let's go. Yeah. I would hold it up one more time, but I mean, however you feel like doing, bro. It usually gives one more fucking goddamn fucking test, like right at the entry where we get in at. But I also got 144 being printed right now. Where I said I wasn't gonna go. If they make it, if they pull it, then it is what it is. But I got a 144 set up on the 15 second, bro. And let's see what they're doing. Like I said, they definitely want to come back and retest our entry. So that's why I haven't moved mine yet. Just for GP. But it's right there at the entry. So, and this is the 11:08 candle, which is ATT time. Let's be patient with these motherfuckers, bro. Let's be patient with these motherfuckers. Whatever happens, we'll show his fucking hand. But since this was taken on a 1 minute chart, I can't move my stop loss at least for the next minimum 20 minutes. Minimum, if not 30. So it's got to stay at my highs at 11:01, dude. As of right now, for the next 20 minutes. And then if I get fucking anxiety after that, then I'll fucking do what I need to do. Yep, this is where it goes at, though, brother. You might have one test of a PSP coming up back to the top side one more time, based on it falling through 144 on the 15 second, or it might continue to go. It is what it is. Let's see if they want to retest that PSP at the top. It just fell through the 144. So they might give us that retest to add on contracts. And we're still in the macro. So that'd be cool if they can go back up there real quick, because I would like to take this on a live account. It looks good. We got a high, low, lower high, and then a complete fall through a breaker block also on the 15, which is cool. It might just retest this breaker block and go on by this fucking merry way. That's for certain. So let's see what they want to do real quick. All right. Is it short-lived? Okay. Oh, it blew through the breaker block. God damn. And it blew through the PSP. Oh, god damn. That's no good. That's no good. I'm out. Where you at? You should have been out by now. Got a trail. Good trade. Good fucking trade, bro. The direction was still right. They're sweeping the highs right now, which is cool. You got YM sweeping the motherfuckers too. You guys think NQ has not swept them motherfuckers yet, bro. NQ has not swept them motherfuckers yet. Let's see what they're gonna do. All right, let's see what they're gonna do, bro. I got nothing. I ain't looked at my 3 minute in a while. Did they blow it by me on the 3 minute? I don't see anything. I do see something. Is it they want? Oh, let's see. Yeah, as you should. You are on an intraday trailing. You should always be trailing. Always. Absolutely, but always. You know what you should do? Just gotta keep following. It's not about the numbers going up where you at right now. You have an account. For how long, I don't know. But everything is intraday is always gonna be trailing with these motherfuckers. Okay, well, you shouldn't be taking 3 trades. You should get comfortable with 2 and trailing 1. Let 1 run. That's where I'm at. I mean, that's only on you, bro. You think 3 is good, and you're basing your knowledge based only solely on somebody else's? Let's see. I got nothing on this 6, bro. I got nothing on the 6. All right. I got nothing on the 24. 24. Yeah, it's nothing. As of right this very second. It's fucking holding up. Because technically speaking, could have caught a reversal, but I ain't playing those kind of reversals. You know, not playing those kind of reversals. So, it's still on the 1. I'm still on 1. I'm still going back to the 1. I got nothing. If they're done, they're done. They did what they would need to do with me to fucking day. Matter of fact, they go fucking shit. That bitch on the fucking 1 minute right now. Goddamn, doing it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. All right. See what they're gonna do. They're coming into the. Ooh, Jesus. Gotta be careful with these motherfuckers, boy. Yeah, I think I'm done with this motherfucker right here. That guy's dead. In order for me to do anything, you got a 144 play, bro. And I will take it with the risk management size that's fucking goddamn needed. Period. This is not about making money. This is about fucking following your fucking goddamn strategy and your system. And that was a good fucking trade. Period. Yeah, that's on you, bro. Hey, you got to come up with your own rules. The strategy is the strategy. Energy, strategy. That's it. I'm willing to let mine get hit based on where I got to put it back and based on what the data has already shown me. You don't have the data. The data told me I got to leave my shit where it is. Because had I done that for all this duration, I wouldn't be nowhere where I'm sitting right now trying to figure this shit out. Because all these motherfuckers would have been done fucking ran if I had held these motherfuckers. Just so happened that today is not the fucking day. Not the fucking day. So, with that being said, we still have NQ failing to reach that high, which is very important still. You still have YM above it, which is very important. And you have ES above it. So, guess what? If they run that change in fucking state again, I will get in the whole fucking sale again. I got a signatures fucking sweep on fucking goddamn fucking NQ. Start inside the body, close past the wick. Let's see if they want to give this to us. Let's see if they want to get it to us. I'm sure I'll take it. We still in the macro. They close back down this bitch at 10, 7, 11, 19, 11, 23. Shit, I'm selling. I don't care. I ain't scared. And I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna find out what happened. That was still a good trade. Shit, it was more than ample enough time to fucking follow out. I chose not to. I was up like fucking $80 on that fucking trade. Just for one contract. So it ain't about how many contracts. It's about goddamn how long that if you're on the right side for that bitch to last. Because 80 with 5 candles is a lot. That's like a lot of that. So let's see if they want to give it, bro. Let's see if they want to give it. Low? What's the low? 46 low? 46 low. Okay, 45 low. Okay. They're gonna do it again? If y'all do it again, I'll take it again. Watch me what shit. I am not fucking scared at all. You got me confused. Got me confused like a motherfucker. Oh, change that motherfucking state if you want to. Change the state if you want to. Let's see if you want to do it. You don't want to do it? I'm watching your ass. Believe me, brother. Yeah, 16, 15. Absolutely. That's what I'm looking at. They gave the sales side delivery, but as of right now, they're not even going back to retest the PSP on the top side for a sale. So right now, the confirmation is on the 1 minute to the upside with that wick right there, and then falling through it immediately with the 11-14. So the PSP is 11, what, 12? What is it? 11, what? 11, 12 grand? Mm-hmm. 11, 12 candle. Absolutely. PSP. Boom. But if they test that PSP at the top, shit, they want to come down. The PSP at the top right now is the 11-16 candle. So let's see if they want to fucking touch the 11-16 candle. And let's see if they want to fucking pull that motherfucker down. Just remember, NQ is still short of a 9-minute fucking target. Definitely aware of that. Definitely aware of that. 11-16. 11-16. Let's see if they want to give it to us, bro. See if they want to give it to us. 11-16, 15. Okay. Boom. Everybody sit. Let's see if they want to do it. See if they want to do it. They didn't sweep that 11-12 candle. You got to go back down there to get that if you want me to get in. That's for certain. Got to. Move. Remove. Oh, shit. This might be the one for real, bro. They might want to take this bitch down. You tripping. You might want to take it down for real. For sure. What highs did they sweep? I know they swept some highs over there to the fucking left somewhere. Other than that, let's see. 30. Let's see what they want to do. I ain't fucking tripping. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They're playing around. They ain't really had no freaking moves this morning, dude. It wasn't. We took a good one. I think we took a good one anyway. He was up what, like 200? Yeah, at least one off, bro. One should have been trailed off. Goddamn, one to break even, and one to the regular high of where we left it at. Once you get that far in, trail one, put one at break even. So if it does come back, boom, okay. And then you got one just in case they fucking keep on fucking going. If you're gonna run three, bro. I mean, that's what I did anyway. Or run all three of them off, or however you want to do it. Yeah, set you some parameters. But when you set them, make sure you do the same thing every time, because your ego not going to understand, and God is not going to understand when you do it sometimes. And I'm the same way. Yeah, but you haven't caught one of those ones though. We haven't caught one of those directly airplane modes coming into the damn fucking EMA. when you start catching those and seeing those, you're gonna understand why, based on your account anyway. But either way, you can't do it with that account, bro. Even if you did decide to hold right then, there's no way for you to fucking accommodate to making goddamn fucking $4,000 or $5,000 on a fucking trade and then having to trade goddamn 20 more times to balance out a 50% range across trades. For that's it should be small base hits where you at, bro. If you can goddamn fucking pull fucking $200 every day from the motherfucking cash out, if it goes in your favor, $200. Get your ass on, bro. That's fucking $1,000 a week. If you do that shit consistently, goddamn daily across fucking 5 accounts, bro, you're making goddamn fucking $8,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? That's we got it. Yeah, I'm talking about copy trade, of course, man. But I mean, you're still taking exact same $200 across fucking 20 accounts or 5 accounts or whatever case may be. I mean, either way, you're only looking for 3 candles. you got $300 with damn near 3 candles, bro. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, I mean. We still ain't got to sweep of that motherfucking goddamn low, bro. They broke that fucking PSP at the highs on ES. They never came back to get that 11-12 candle though, dude. That's ironic. Something's wrong with that. I'm about to wait for it. I'm about to wait for that. Or change the state right now on this fucking shit to go down. We still at that 9 a.m. point of interest, bro. It's no coincidence. It's hovering around here. Like I said, NQ has not gotten there yet. NQ is still a ways away. It can get there in like 5 candles ish, maybe. But it's right there at the freaking line, dude. Everybody else is above it. So, if I get right now a closure back below the 11-13 candle on ES, then sales are actually in play. So we're getting now we're getting SMT on the freaking highs. 11:30 is a new cycle. So 11 is sweeping the previous cycle, which is 10. See if they want to give it to us. NQ hasn't swept that motherfucker yet. All right, so yeah, they got a long way to go on NQ. We're gonna try that one. We're gonna give one more shot. Yeah, the first one was good. Should have trailed out. Should have, could have, would have. I'm comfortable with that. And this is a game of probability. So, what does your law of averages say? Are you gonna kill yourself by one day, or are you gonna know that your strategy works, goddamn, over the long haul? The ability to control your mental state after you receive a so-called loss is critical, and not to dwell on it for the next 10, 15, 30, 45 an hour. Now you're talking about yesterday. I could no, bro. Hell, fuck no. Every day's a fucking new day. Every day. So, NQ has just finally broken that high. So we got a problem now. I mean, it's not a problem, but if they continue up, this is where they fucking goddamn going from. So, they still never tested the 11-12 candle. So right now, the 11-12 candle is my oh, that ain't the high I'm looking at, bro. That's just the PSP on a fucking lower time. NQ hasn't broken the 9-hour high that I'm looking at yet. Man, I don't know what the fuck I was just thinking about saying. Okay, right there. 11:28 candles nowhere near. So we still got time. It still has time to perform the change of state on YM or ES before NQ fucking gets up to that high. I got him breaking that shit though, but we're gonna see here. I don't know. Let's see. Um, where's the ST at, bro? So it's below 1029, 15, 1029, 15. Red, green, 31. I think that I am let's see if they're gonna get to it, bro. I really want to take this damn sale, but gotta wait. Yeah, 12 is at the end of it. That's it, bro. I mean, ain't nothing I can do. I wanted to go right now, dude. They got 2 points of interest they have not taken out yet. One is on at the 11-12 candle. So what do you do? What do you do? You wait. Yeah. Uh, I think I'm gonna take this sale though. Fuck. I hit the wrong fucking button. Yeah, I wanted to take it right now. Uh, at the highs, only one contract in the room. Yeah, they gave a change of state at the highs, so I just I pulled the trigger on it. We'll see what happens. Pay attention to what's going on. Yeah, highs is fucking really fucking goddamn long. We were of that 11-12 candle down there as a first take profit potentiality. Yeah. Other than that, ain't nothing I can necessarily say about this trade. All right. Yeah, I fucking hit fucking goddamn gold by fucking accident. Let me get out of that motherfucker. I was trying to wait for it to go green. I don't know why I got a fucking $6 stop loss on it. I don't even look at the fucking chart. All right, let me get out of there at 33 cent. Cool. Shit. All right. All right, so we had a change in state of delivery on ES, bro, for fall. And these trades are goddamn rather fucking goddamn precise, bro. I mean, if you're trailing, you should be trailing. Like I said, the first take profit is the support for me. I got 2 contracts. So 812 is my first point of contact based on the 144. Yeah, and I got in probably after you too. So I mean, because I had to switch charts and goddamn fucking shit. But my stop loss is at $4.37. Let's see what they fucking want to do, bro. It is what it is, bro. I'm not gonna move the fucking goddamn stop. I'm gonna fucking leave that bitch right there at the top where it's supposed to be, and let God work. And maybe this is the right one, and maybe you're gonna say it's the wrong one, and I'm gonna move on about my merry fucking goddamn fucking business. But it showed me that if I'm correct, that moving my stop loss too early is fucking goddamn like paramount not to fucking do. Not to do. Let's see if they're gonna make this motherfucking good. Like I said, that 11-12 candle was definitely a first stopping zone for me. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and set one of the take profits there just in case. And let's see what the world wants to do. And we're sticking to the main. That wasn't the main strategy. This strategy does work though. This strategy does work. Hell, it worked for the other one. Just should have fucking trailed it. Let's go. That right there. Was at the first take profit right there. The hell? What you doing over there, man? Gambling? Gambling? Okay. Shit means nothing. Time is overpriced. Time is always overpriced. That's a good level to get in if you got, definitely. Definitely. That's at the top. What was the ATT time on that? That was 36. Yeah, that's an ATT time. Okay. That ATT time high should hold right there. Let's see if let's watch it hold. Shit, they don't want to let it hold. They don't want to let nothing hold, brother. I already know. They know motherfuckers waiting for this 9-minute goddamn delivery. They might hold that bitch to after fucking lunch, fucking around with these motherfuckers, dude. If they get me, they get me. I don't give a fuck about that shit, bro. It is what it is. I gotta fucking get comfortable with accepting my days how they come. You said 100? Oh. Yeah, sure. 15. 15. They still on way your damn up. They fucking bullshit. Didn't wait for that 144. Still wait for that retest. Oh well. It was short lived. Yeah, I probably should have held that go train. Let's see what it did. Shit. Yeah, I think that's it for me. No, we're gonna only wait for these fucking missiles. That's what we're gonna fucking do. Don't get me wrong, that missile did fucking play out this morning, and it is still active because NQ has not swept that motherfucker yet, bro. So don't be made, because they still. You should probably go outside and get over your ailments or whatever you got going on. Now it's time to get your whole entire life together. What you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do? All right, so I'm out of that trade, and I'm done. I think I'm done for the day. So, right now we are at a 9-minute POI, and I thought they gave me the signal, but I did not get the right signal on my EMA, which I didn't use. Also, we did have one being missed. So we have a point of interest at the 11-12 candle and the 11-12 candle. If we're going to continue up, I would like to see a sweep of the 11-12 candle low. 11-12 candle low. If I'm here to see it, then I will pull the trigger on this trade. I mean, I'll probably put one contract on it. Nothing spectacular, because I already took 2 L's today. Very minimal. Very minimal. It's cool. So we're gonna go ahead and start again on Monday. Call it a day. Yeah, I can give myself one more, but that's it. That's the max. There's no more after that. And probably this trade was probably right on time. Honestly, it was just a little too early. Well, it could have been right on time if it was too early, but this point of interest should hold. And yeah, that's a wrap for me. So peace, and we're gonna try this again fucking next time. Fucking next time, brother. That's a wrap.